guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought I would do like a pack with me for a vacation video. Yeah, I'm just gonna like be packing. I'm going on vacation with my sister. Well, it's kind of like a business trip for her. I'm just like tagging along with her. She didn't want to go by herself, so I'm going with her. And yeah, we're going for a week and it's gonna be warm weather there, which I am so excited about. I literally cannot wait. And we have family where we're going, so that's really exciting too. And I just want to point out that we are completely aware of COVID and everything that's going on right now. We are going to be 100% safe. We are taking all the precautions we need to. Obviously gonna be wearing masks. Even like before everything started, when we went on vacation in February, literally went on vacation like 2 weeks before the whole country shut down, because obviously we didn't know it was going to. But even then we were like wiping out all the chairs and everything because we didn't know how serious it was going to be. So yeah, clearly we are going to be doing that now. I just want to put that out there before anyone comes for us. We're going to be very cautious of everything. And yeah, so just don't come at me for this, like, please. But anyways, I just thought I'd do like a pack with me video in case any of you guys need some inspiration or some help on packing things. So yeah, I'm gonna make a list on my phone. Okay, so obviously shorts, probably 5 pairs. I need to pack minimal too because me and my sister are sharing a suitcase, so I don't think I'm not really gonna have a whole lot of room. But it's only for a week, and plus it's like lighter clothes because it's gonna be warmer, so it really shouldn't be too big of an issue. Leggings, 2 pairs. I'm probably gonna wear leggings more at nighttime. I'll bring 1 pair of jeans. Okay, t-shirts. I'm gonna bring crop tops, probably 4, and then t-shirts. I wear t-shirts at night, so probably 5 t-shirts. Long sleeve 1, sweatshirt 2. I'm gonna bring 1 nice outfit, so I'll bring my jean skirt and a nice dressy top. Okay, and then obviously like socks and that kind of thing. I think that's everything for clothes. Okay, now I'm gonna do like my toiletries and stuff. So I'm just gonna write down random things that I think of. So hairbrush, face wash, makeup brushes, makeup remover wipes, toothbrush and paste, curling and straightening iron, dry shampoo, deodorant, perfume. Okay, and then I'm gonna do like my carry-on bag. So laptop, AirPods, camera, cool stuff, book, hand sanitizer, masks, wipes, blue light glasses. That's important, right? Oh, camera charger, phone charger, Apple Watch charger, my mini tripod. Oh, I forgot to put pajamas on the list. So like comfy shorts. I think that's everything I can think of for right now. If I think of more stuff, I'll tell you guys, but I'm gonna start doing this, so. All right, let's take a look. I don't even have my suitcase, so I'm gonna have to put this in my suitcase later, but I'm just gonna grab everything that I need. Okay, what's in here? Crop tops. Let's go into this drawer. Go into my dresser now. 1 pair of jeans, which I'm probably not gonna pack now because I'm still wearing those. Shorts I can do because I'm not wearing shorts, so 1. These are my favorite pair of shorts ever. They're from Forever 21 and they're really wrinkly. Maybe I should wash them. Okay, I have a jean skirt that I'm gonna bring. This is from Aeropostale. Maybe I'll bring this one too. Me acting like I'm gonna dress up every day. Okay, I'll bring, these are my comfy shorts that I'm gonna bring. Okay, so I have my tank tops. I'm gonna take these hangers off. 2, 3, and 4 for tank tops. I have this t-shirt, and another. And then for, well, those are like crop tops. These are my just random t-shirts for like nighttime and stuff. I have a pair of leggings, my biker shorts, And then a pair of nighttime shorts. I have 2 sweatshirts here, my Mackinac one and my Levi one. 2 skirts, I have a jean one and a regular one. And then I have my shorts over here. So I'm gonna take this gray long sleeve. Since I don't have a long sleeve and I wanted to bring one, I'll take this because that would go well with the jean skirt if we did go somewhere nice. And then I didn't even think about shoes. Okay, I'm gonna take these for sure. I wear these all the time. Me just now realizing it would have been really nice to, or really smart to look at the weather that it's gonna be there. Okay, so it's about like 85, 75, 80, 85. That's warm weather and it's really humid there, I'm pretty sure, so I'm just gonna prepare to be really hot all the time. So I might not actually need these sweatshirts. I might just take one in a light. I think I'm gonna take this light jacket thing. I don't think I'm gonna take the skirt either. I'm gonna start to fold everything and try to find the suitcase that we're gonna use. This shirt is so cute, you guys. Literally one of my favorite tops. Okay, so we have, like I said, I probably will wear a sweatshirt or long sleeve there, so I'll have that just in case. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I'm sure I will definitely need other clothes too. That's what we got right now. I can't really pack any of this because I don't have a suitcase. I'm just gonna kind of put it all in the pile, and then when I do have the suitcase, I will pack it all together. It just got so dark in here, so I'm really sorry. It's like really gloomy out, but I'm not really gonna do my toiletries right now. We don't leave for like 4 more days, so I'm gonna use this stuff like pretty much every day for the next 4 days. So I'm not gonna pack that stuff right now, but I am going to show you what I'm gonna put in my carry-on. So for my carry-on, I've always just used my backpack. I've had this backpack for like 3 or 4 years now. I've always just used it for my carry-on. First thing I'm taking is a book to read on the plane. I'm sure I'll probably have homework to do too, so I can always do that on the plane as well. I have a bunch of hand sanitizer wipey thingies to use on the plane. So that's nice. And then a couple things I'm just not gonna pack yet is like my laptop, my AirPods, my camera that I'm obviously filming on right now, all my school stuff like my notebook and stuff like that. I have this pouch full of stuff in here if I need it. So I like Kleenex, hand sanitizer, deodorant, Tide stick, all the essentials that I may need. I also have hair ties in here. Okay, so I'm gonna need masks, my purse, blue light glasses, which I'm still gonna use, all my chargers, and then I'm going to bring this tripod. It's just like a little handheld tripod that I like to use when I'm filming. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in my bag, and then my book in here, and then all that other stuff I will pack later on. I'm just gonna have to do some last minute things for like toiletries and like school stuff that I'm gonna pack in my carry-on. At least I have a good list going and know of like what things I'm going to need when the day comes. Anyways, I think that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys got some inspiration from it and were able to get a list of things that you may need to pack for your vacation. Also, just want to make sure you guys know that we are going to be completely safe, especially with everything going on. We're going to be wearing a mask, using hand sanitizer, wiping everything down that we are sitting on. Yeah, I just want to put that out there so none of you get mad at me, even though there probably is going to be people who get mad at me, but we're going to be safe, and it's kind of like a business trip for my sister. Look forward to travel vlogs and everything, and I will probably explain a little bit more as to why we are going out there and why it's so important for my sister. Anyways, I think that is everything for today's video. I really hope that you guys were able to get some inspiration for your packing. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.